If I could do it all over again, I thank God for you, Chris Bosh, my cousin, All-Star, Hall of Famer, NBA All-Star, used to play with the Toronto Raptors, Miami Heat, the Big Three, LeBron James, Dwayne Wade, Adrian Mays. But I thank God for you, Chris Bosh. As Toronto, my home, my second home, just seeing the love that is built, as the legacy that we built in regarding the just being real and transparent with the people there. As you look at a billionaire mindset, it didn't start overnight. As I had millionaires, if not billionaires, show the way that God already had the plan. I didn't know the plan, but the billionaire mindset is within you. Your billionaire brand is within you. Can SEO change digital marketing? What the benefit is working with an all-star, working with Adrian Mays, co-founder of Can SEO Change Digital Marketing? You've got me. You've got a different change of no one else in this world, the unique me that God has made me to be. Amazing, I do enjoy, but at the same time, I don't have step for anything. As going back to Toronto, Ontario, living there for 7 years, reminding myself of the opportunity that is provided with digital real estate, being commercial real estate going up just crazy in downtown Toronto, Ontario, and those different properties, leveraging the opportunity of digital real estate, building with email marketing strategies, artificial intelligence strategies, affiliate marketing strategies, high-ticket affiliate marketing strategies. That is the way to go. In the growth and the education and doing the things that most people won't do. The money is in the research. Money is a tool. My friends, elevating to billionaire mindset will have the motivation to take you to the next level. With Can SEO Change Digital Marketing, that's where we go. That's where we're going, billionaire status. If you look at the opportunity provided in front of you, ordinary people with consistency and action, with no products, with just a cell phone, a laptop, and some Wi-Fi, generating 100,000s per month, just providing value to people and knowledge. God knew that was for me. So if you want change in your life and you want someone that will work hard for you and your brand and build the leverage of AI tools, and as I'm live daily, educating people on these artificial tools out here, as the change is going to start in you, the action. But Chris Bosh, Toronto, Ontario, I love you. Let's go. Can SEO change digital marketing with Adrian Mays? Let's go.